Hello my YouTube family, you're here with Skipper Drones, and I have a nice video for you guys today. I am bringing you the HOBBYMATE 1505 motors made for the 3-inch and 4-inch frames. This motor here is capable of pushing 6S. It's 1505 2900 kV. This motor is very nice. It's very powerful. And because of the bigger stator size, it makes it have more grunt and the low end power to manage the 6S. I think that's going to be nice. And it can handle the 6S battery. So we're going to be testing that out, you guys. I found the 6S battery, a GN3 550 6S battery with an XT30 connector. So this is going to be pushing those motors there, hopefully. You can also get this motor here in two different size. You can get it in a 1505 2900 kV, capable of pushing 2 to 6S, or you can get it in the 1505 4300 kV, which I have here. Another set. These are the 4300s that I put on the on this build here. So it turned out pretty nice. HD camera build. They're pretty smooth. It also has a C-clip here on the bottom instead of a screw. It weighs 16.7 grams. The wire here, I believe, is 24 AWG silicone wires, and the length of the wires are 8.5 centimeters. So yes, this is going to be a very, very nice motor here. You feel a little notchy, but it's going to have some power, some good power. This is the frame here that I am putting it on. This is the HOBBYMATE Asteroid 3-inch frame. So this is going to be a nice build, you guys. A very nice build. And that is probably going to be my next video. I also have here that I'm putting in here is the Success X iFlight 20 by 20 stack. This is capable of running 6S. And also I have the Cadex Turbo EOS 2. So this is finna be the next build, you guys. But these motors are gonna be nice. I can't wait to see the power coming off of this. It's gonna be very nice. Alright, you guys, that's the end of this video. I'll be seeing you real soon on a build video. And if you like this video, please hit the like, the thumbs up for me. I really appreciate that, you guys. And I love you guys out there who watch and comment on my videos. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free. I will help you out. If you're just beginning in this field and you need questions, I will help you out. It's not an issue. I love helping people out. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, because trust me, we're gonna have a lot of more builds. We got some stuff, you guys. And like I said, I keep promising you, I got a video coming up that's I know a lot of you been waiting on. I know y'all have been waiting on this video. And I'm about to get ready to pull it out and crank it up for the first time ever since the rebuild. So stay tuned for that video, you guys. Alright, and I'm Skipper Drums, and I will catch you on the next one.